Packing and moving can feel overwhelming, but there are some strategies that can make it much easier. Here are some tips that will help you stay organized, save time, and reduce stress. Before you begin packing, consider decluttering your space to help you save time and money in the future. Invest in high-quality packing supplies and make plans ahead of time if you have pets or young children to help make their transition smoother. Begin packing as soon as you can to avoid last-minute stress. To help you stay organized, tackle one room at a time and clearly label boxes with their contents and the room they belong in. Place heavier items at the bottom of boxes and lighter items on top. You can use blankets and clothing to cushion fragile goods. Consider taking photos of your current cable setup so you can easily reconnect them at your new home. Store important documents and essential items in a separate bag that is easy to access and stays with you during the move. If some items are too difficult to lift or the process is too overwhelming, don't hesitate to hire professional movers or ask family and friends for help. AAA members can save on moving-related expenses like truck rentals, professional movers, and packing supplies. Visit our website for more information.